What's up, Commercial? Welcome back with me, Putra, on Homemade Studio channel. At this first video, we're gonna learn how to make commercial ads like a video you watched before. Now, we're gonna dive into the tutorial. So let's go. First, we need to open the Blender. So we need to delete all the object and add the cube. I think we need to make it look like the product that we want. As this example, we need to make it look like a font, so we need to make it more thicker. We just click S and X and just make it taller. We just click Z, S and Z. Yeah, I think it's enough. After that, you need to apply this transformation with just click object and apply. After that, you need to move to edit mode and just click tab and just grab the object with G and just move it on the Z axis and make it on the top of it, on the top of your origin. After that, we need to add some empty. We just click Shift and A, just choose the empty. In this example, we're gonna choose the cube empty. After that, you need to double it and just click Shift and D and just click S to make it more bigger than the object. Yeah, I think it's enough, and click all the object just like that. Make sure the last object was orange and just click Ctrl and P to parent it. Now all these objects will gonna be follow this empty. After that, you need to select the object, the product that we want, and just choose modifier, add modifier, and generate and click array. After that, you need to make all the axis was at 0, this point, this 3 point, and just choose the object offset. After that, you need to open it and choose the empty inside, just like that. Now we're gonna be rotate it and make sure all is working. Yeah, I think it's working. So after that, you need to add some camera and choose camera, and we're gonna see the Z view and just rotating with R as the angle that we want. I'm gonna be make it like literally on center of the object. So I think it's good, and just move it at X axis. Click G and X just like that, and just make sure the object was at the right angle. We just click this button, the camera button. For me, it need to move at the back. So we need to click G and X and click this button again. Still G and X again. Yeah, I think it's enough. Yeah, it's enough. Make sure it at the center of the frame and not out of the frame. So we click the object again. We're gonna be make it like count as maybe 10, and we need to select this one. It's empty, and make some keyframe. We need to make the timeline more bigger so we can see, and just choose the keyframe that you want. I'm gonna be go at the frame 30 and just choose I and just click I for add some keyframe, and just go back to the 0 or one keyframe and move it on the bottom. We just click G and Z and just move it out of the frame and just click I again, and we see I think the object need to be more like in here. Yeah, I think it's enough. Now I think we need to select the two keyframe and just right click and choosing the easy in and out. And after that we need to right click again and choose the interpolation mode to choose Bezier. After that I think I need to make it more bigger, and moving from timeline mode into the graph editor mode and choose this point over here and drag it over here. I think basically it was like in the After Effects, if you someone that playing with that. Yeah, and just we see how much good is that. Yeah, I think it's kind of smooth though. And we go back to the timeline mode. I think it's just a little bit too fast, so I need to move it the last frame at maybe 40. Yeah, it's just so smooth though. After we animate the all of object, we need to animate the transforms of the object, so we need to choose the keyframe that we want. For me it's going to be like maybe 40 for the first keyframe, the basic of it, and just go to maybe 17. And we need to rotate the empty, click R and X and just choose whatever angle that you want. I think it's good for me. Yeah, it's good. So we need to do the same thing as before. We need to select this both of keyframe and just click easy in and out and just choose the interpolation mode as Bezier. And we need to go to the graph editor again. Here it is. Just select this one. And do this thing. Make sure it's same as before for a smooth result. Nice. After we add some nice animation on it, we need to animate the mesh of it. So we need to click the object. We need to select the object and go to the data and just add some shape keys. Add the basic one and just add the other with case 2 and just go to the edit mode. And we need to select the object, all the mesh, and just rotate the object at the z-axis and make sure it was at the nice position. Yeah, I think it's good. We need to go to the object mode again, just click tab, and after that we need to choose the frame that we want. I think it's for me maybe 100, and just add a keyframe, add the value and choose the key number 1, add keyframe, and at this point you need to put the cursor on it and just move the keyframe maybe at 18 and just move to the 100 at last. So I think it's not the right frame to rotate the object. I think I need to make it maybe in 16. I think we need to select this keyframe and just need to be maybe on 40 frame 40 and just see again. Yeah, it's look good kinda. And I think I need to select both of them and just do the same thing as before. We need to choose the easy in and out and interpolation to Bezier and do the same thing as what we do before. Now we on the graph editor, so we need to select this point and just move it. I think it's over here. It's gonna be good, and just move the other over here. Yeah, I think it's good. It's perfect. So we need to go to the timeline mode again and see all the result. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, I think it's a good result, but if you can see in this point, you can see it's the corner of this object was go through of another object, so we need to fix that and just go to the edit mode and just choose the Z view and just move it to make it more thicker. Don't forget, you need to choose the basic one and just go click Z and X, just like that. Just click again and it's fixed. Yeah, I think it's almost finished, so we need to go to the viewport setting and we need to add some lighting. First we choose the I think it's area light and just rotate the area light and click R and X, I think it's Y, and just rotate 90 degrees and just move it on the back of the object and go to the camera view, right click and just adjust power, and now we can scale the lighting. Yeah, after we add some lighting on the back, we need to add the others. We need to just click the Z-axis view and click Shift D and move it over here and rotating it just like this, and rotate again, add again and rotate again, put it over here. Yeah, I think it's good. And we need to make the background more black. We need to devote and just put this thing down just like that. It was so nice and clean object, so you can see. So that's the tutorial. Don't forget guys to click the subscribe button and click like, comment and see to the other tutorial, and don't forget, your mind is the only limit. Goodbye guys.
My studio, from the shadows to the stars. Yeah.